Okay, Brittany, here's what I need. So check me out. Where's it at? Okay, this right here is the best, and I literally mean the best job description I've ever seen in my fucking life. It's from Clockwork. It's laid out. If you look at it, it talks about everything that the job needs, but it's in an unconditional format. It's funny. Like even right here, the pay sucks, meaning you won't get rich. It's $10 an hour, but it can be some extra spending money, blah, 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 blah. I love this template. This is the template that I want all my jobs to focus on. Now, real quick, there's two jobs that are the most important amongst all the jobs that I have, right? The first job is being a coach, right? Being a coach is like the number one piece that I need. And the second one, which is probably more important or equally as important, is the outbound call center manager. As I mentioned, this lady will be from the Philippines. She will be a virtual assistant. So here's the job that I have for you. I want you to take this outbound call center associate. By the way, thank you for editing this. Um, I've made all the necessary edits. I took a little bit of piece of what you got and I just merged it together. This is a final draft and it looks really, really good. Um, so what I would like for you to do is take this doc, right? And I want you to take the pieces of it and merge it into this doc, right? So basically this is, where's it at? 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 So this document right here, this clockwork template, I copied this template into this document, right? I'm sorry. So outbound call center manager, word for word, I copied this into this. And I want you to take this job description and merge it into this. So it has the clockwork template, but it shouldn't just this is a good format, like technicality. I like it. It looks good, but this, if I could put it in this format, it would be lit. So that's what I'd like you to do. And after that, I'm gonna go ahead and scoot this over so I don't confuse myself. Uh, I'll get rid of this. I don't need it anymore. After that, the coach template, which is my second most important template, I would like you to take this coaching template and put it into this clockwork template, right? Now the difference between the two is that the clockwork template is actually built for an administration type role, which would make implementation of this into this pretty easy. However, the coaching piece, it might need some work because being a coach doesn't necessarily align to administration tasks. So I might need to put my hand on that, but I think you're savvy enough to kind of give me a base or a start or a foundation. That is the task. Can you tell me if you can do it? How long will it take? Uh, because I really need this done. These are the two most important positions in my gym, and as long as I have these two positions, I will always be okay. Thank you, and let me know if you can do this.